How to use two WhatsApp accounts with one number without a third-party app. Many people use WhatsApp for both personal and professional communication, and it can be a hassle to manage multiple WhatsApp accounts on the same number. If you have two WhatsApp accounts and want to use them on the same number without having to download any additional apps, this tutorial is for you. The first way to prepare another smartphone that wants to enter the account with the same number. On this case, I have two phones. One on the right side, I already installed the WhatsApp application. You can see the WhatsApp application already installed on this phone. On the other phone, I haven't installed the WhatsApp application. So, the first step is you need to download of WhatsApp app from the Google Play Store or App Store on other phone. Open it and download it. We're waiting for the process until the downloading process done. Once you have downloaded the app, open it and select WhatsApp from the list of apps. Then open the WhatsApp application that you just downloaded. After that, on this page you may not enter the same number on a WhatsApp account that is on another cell phone. But you can go to the logo which has three dots in the top right corner. When you click, a selection will appear as you can see. Select Show Passcode to be scanned using the other WhatsApp account on another device, and try to scan the barcode or QR code. Then, your WhatsApp will automatically be directed to the same number. Wherever you send the chat, the file, the picture, the voice note to your contact will also appear in the clone account. Let's try it. For example, I will send the picture to one of my contacts here, like this. I pick the picture, I click send. Viola is already connected, right? It is similar like WhatsApp web. Here you can tap the account of your friend, family, girlfriend, or spouse. It's so great. Whatever you send in the chat with your friend will also appear in the clone account. It is similar like WhatsApp web. Here you can tap the account of friends, family, girlfriends, or spouse. It's so great. Congratulations! You have successfully set up two WhatsApp accounts with one phone number without any confusion and a third-party app. You can now use both accounts simultaneously and switch between them as needed. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel Otatech Phone for more useful tutorial like this one. Thank you for watching and see you again.